Are you ready to go, Ava? I had to put sunscreen in her hair because I was afraid her scalp would get burnt. We're gonna get on your outfit. This outfit is so cute. And then we'll put your swimmer on and your swimsuit when we get there. So we're ready for the beach. I still have to do my hair, but we are super ready. I'm gonna show you what I packed for the beach. I think it will last all day, but we'll see. Ham and turkey sandwiches for me and Deva, a little one for Ava. We have water, Ava's straw cup. I packed some pouches for her. Got some beer in here for David as well. A couple of bottles of milk, and of course, bottles of water. Also, Ava loves these. These will be really refreshing at the beach. This is her first time going to the beach since she was about 4 months old. And then I'm also gonna bring some of these puffs. This is like her favorite snack. And she's over here. I'm trying to get her to eat some banana and some of these puffs before we go, but she's not much of a breakfast eater. So let's get your bathing suit on, baby girl. Oh my gosh, these flip-flops are so cute. Let me see you. You're such a cutie. Let me see your sunglasses. Put your sunglasses on. Let me see you. Put your sunglasses on. Ooh. Put your sunglasses on. That's a cute outfit. So cute. Cute beachy outfit. Time for the beach, girl. We'll put your swimsuit on when you get there. You ready for the beach? I love those flip-flops on you. I know you had to get used to walking in them. We ready to go, guys. Canova Beach, here we come. Canova Beach. You ready, Riley? Riley? Riley! Let me put this blanket down for her. We have another little dog seat, but I just put this blanket down for her. She'll be fine. Let's go! Yay! working.
Do it again. Do it.
What are you doing over here, Ava? What are you doing? What are you Is that her house? Oh, Ava fell asleep. Oh, she's so tired. I can't believe she fell asleep. Oh my gosh, what are these boys doing over here? Digging a freaking crazy tunnel?
House for Riley. We're gonna leave her
here. A house?
Yeah, because we're gonna leave her here.
Are you serious?
Riley.
We're gonna leave her here?
Yeah, in this house that she's building.
How many? Really? Ava's sleeping. Sleepy baby. Are you good now, Riley? Ava, what is Daddy doing to you? What is he doing to you, Ava? Ava! Look at her. Look at her. Look. What is he doing to you? Ava! Are you having fun? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Yeah, that's over the sand. Here.
It's okay.
Watch as much as we can and then we...
Riley is knocked out. And we're listening to Queen. So we're on our way home and of course listening to Queen, David's favorite. I like it too. But as you can see, Riley is pooped. But we had a really fun day. I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog. We're debating if we're gonna go to downtown Disney, but I kind of just feel like relaxing at home and just calling it a day because I still have to give Ava a bath and get this car cleaned up because it's super sandy. So we'll see. But I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until our next vlog. Bye guys.